Hi guys, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and today I am just sharing a very quick little project. I had made some cards and was doing a little bit of coloring, so I decided to make a card with one of the Sherri Baldy printables that I won from a giveaway. And I have a separate video on that, but I just wanted to show, this is the little box that I made to house the card, and I just made some little flowers with dies from my stash, and then added a little cluster of flowers here and a little raffia bow. And I tried to select things that were monochromatic, as I like to do whenever I make my cards. And oh, it looks like I had some these don't go there. These were okay. That's what happens when you stack your projects. Okay, so anyway, that was not part of it. Neither is that. So that's the box, and what I did was that I reinforced the edges with some cardstock and some washi. I found some washi that I really liked, and I just wanted to add it there for fun. So that's the box, and then here is the card, and I'm so very happy with how it turned out. I wanted to work with lilac and yellow. I was just in that sort of mood, I guess, and I went ahead and colored her in, and she's the little girl that's holding her little bucket of popcorn, and it says movie night, and then she's got a little drink here, which is a bit covered up there, but there it is. So I did some coloring, and then I went ahead and colored the background. I also did some heat embossing and doodles, as I like to do, and I also added Nuvo drops so that it could have some texture. I love adding texture to my cards, so that way when the recipient gets it, then, you know, there's something there to touch, not just to see. I don't know why. It's just a preference of mine. But here I had these stamps from, oh my goodness, years ago that I won in a giveaway, and I had never even used them. So, and they are this little ticket here. And then what I did was that I had a separate stamp, brand new, still in packaging, that said thanks a bunch. But what I did was that I covered part of it so that I could stamp that part, and then I covered another part of it so I could stamp that part. And it fit, and I was really happy with that. This piece back here is actually bigger than the card. So what I did was that I accordion folded it so that the bottom would fit onto the card, and I could still get the effect of that background there. And then I added some coloring on the edges there, some little gems, and the background paper, before I forget, is also from Sherri Baldy. So this is some of the paper that I was able to print out, and then I added this viewfinder here, and what I did was that I layered it with vellum that I did color in the same yellow, so that way it would match, and just added Nuvo drops there, if you can tell, and the little gems. So I'm really happy with how this turned out, and of course it's a gatefold card because I like this style of card. I like the presentation that it lends. So let's see here. It's hard to get it to look the way it should when filming, but in any case, if it's on a table, then you get the full effect. And then I just added, these are some Spellbinders dies that I have that I really like, so I double matted those. And then these little flower ones, they are from Nicole, and I added the little flowers and then the little gems in the center there. And I'm really happy with the results. And then this paper here is also from Sherri Baldy. So she's got if you like lavender, as I do, or purple, whatever you want to call it, then this is a beautiful collection of papers. I like green as well, and this has the olive green in it, and then it has, you can't really see it here, but it's got a lighter shade of green in it as well, which is why I went with the green for the little popcorn bucket there, rather than, you know, using primary colors of red and that sort of thing, because it would have thrown off the entire look of the card. But I'm really happy with it, and I hope you guys like it. There are other images on her site that that I think are really just sweet. I think Jeannie and Sybil B, who's the one who made the video with these images that I was able to comment on, you ladies are great, and I appreciate it. And yeah, so I'm hoping to get this out in the mail. There are some other cards that I've made, and at the moment I'm not sure where they are, so they'll be going out in the mail hopefully today as well. So I hope that you guys can be inspired and be blessed. Have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.